Today you're going to start writing a letter about a book that you have recently read in your reader's notebook. You're going to use the chart for ideas of what to include in your writing. Remember, I want you to provide evidence for your thinking in your letter and use my letter as a model. You're going to bring your reader's notebooks back together during share time. A quick recap of our chart that says ways to share thinking. You're going to give a well-organized short summary, which includes the title, characters, setting, problems, and the solution. You're going to tell what you noticed about the illustrations that were in your book. Tell what you learned about the characters and how they changed. Give opinions about the book. Tell the author's message. Explain how the book reminds you of something in your life, another book, or something in the world. Describe the setting and why it's important. Give interesting examples of the author's writing. Pose questions or wonderings, and provide evidence for your thinking, including quotes. Do your best, make sure you use correct grammar, capitalization, and punctuation, and get ready to share when we come back together.